Lachlan Luigi's Mansion 2001 Master Presents. Moris smashes the refrigerator with a baseball bat / grounded. And it was inspired by Krakow Fanatic 2022, Shamsundar 1997, Walter Lewis the Awesome God 2K9, and various users.
Good God, I can't believe I got grounded for pepper spraying Buddy Bro at Popeyes. What am I going to do now? I got it. I'm going to smash the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Alright, now let's go to the kitchen. Alright, I'm in the kitchen. Now it's time to smash the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Moris, what on earth was that noise? And what happened to our refrigerator? Well, you guys are going to be so furious when I tell you, but I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Moris, what the heck is wrong with you? We can't believe you smashed our refrigerator with a baseball bat. Now our refrigerator is busted and we need a new refrigerator. Thanks to you.
That's it, young man. You are grounded until we get a new refrigerator.
Now give us your baseball bat and go to your room, right now.
And don't come out until tomorrow morning.
What?